Chase, it's snowing.
Yeah.
This is how you train your young Padawan in the ways of the Force.
Oh, it's gonna be a good day when I see you coming down the road. Oh, it's gonna be a good day on the highway of my bleeding soul.
This is what I'm talking about. Snow is finally here. Hi, Chase. Wish I had a sled for you guys. Who wants to go on the slide? Chase, where'd you go? Where are you? There you are. Hey, buddy. Is it your first snowfall?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we gotta teach them early at this stage. Need help? Need a little shove? Up. Pick it up. There we go. Keep going. Keep pushing.
When he's done.
Keep pushing. Maddie, you can wait. You got a whole freaking yard of snow and you're gonna play in the leaves? Alright, now what we do is we dump it. Now we gotta dump it right here. See? That's how that works. Isn't that fun? Why don't you mow the snow? Yeah, mow the snow. Go ahead, mow it.
I'll take him out.
Go ahead. Spot! Come on. Let's play in the snow. Come on. Oh, the paradise of snow. I love it. I love the snow. You guys are meant for the snow.
He's died.
Really?
Here, I'll hold him too.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Good luck. And you're being wrapped. Chase! Are you cold?
No.
You want to go inside?
No.
Alright. Maddie's trying to mow the snow. It's okay, that's got to stay out here. Lawnmowers don't go inside.
Hey, leave it. Little girl.
The gas inside, it's really bad. You don't want to use that inside. Hey, buddy. You look like you got a snow-covered face there. Alright, so yeah, we came in because the kids got a little chilly. And the snow is just continuing to fall out there. Oh, it's going to continue on through about midnight tonight, I heard. We're going to get 6 to 12. I think we're going to be more towards the 6-inch side. So it's not too bad. What do you want? You want a banana? Yeah? Yeah, she sees these. She loves bananas. Which is fine by me because it's a healthy snack, so I love them too. You just go ahead and get this banana open for you. It's a banana. There you go. Yeah, so she loves it. I'm gonna leave this for her actually, so yeah, we split one before, but she wanted more. Works for me. Priscilla's making some waffles right now. and chocolate chip waffles. They got a little bit more to go. I'm also editing the vlog right now as we speak. Duct tape probably around about 4 or 5 times. As you can see, there's no rips in it either.
Wait, we don't believe you.
Yeah, it's all like
He cut the clip.
wow. I am all that is man. But, yep. I thought it was supposed to rip up top. Oh no.
You're free, that's the only thing that matters.
For real.
So anyone who ever gets kidnapped out there, remember that. If they're gonna bound your hands together, make sure they do it in the front. Like you have a choice. Say hi.
Maddie.
Why are you trying to kick the camera? Huh?
Put your feet down.
As y'all can see, it's still coming down hard.
Feet down.
I mean, there's a lot of snow on the ground too.
How many inches did you guys get?
See, how many did we get?
I'm going to guess so far about 3.
That's it?
Yeah, it's not a lot. Blowing
That's not fair.
Yeah, the blowing snow is kind of making it hard. So on this snowed-in day, you don't have a snow day without some board games. So I got this bad boy for Christmas this year. And we're going to try it out. It's got everything from Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader, Finn, and Kylo Ren, which is awesome. So yeah, you got 2 from the light side, 2 from the dark side. Yeah, this is gonna be really exciting. Since when did kids' toys become cat toys? I mean, seriously.
Get one from over there.
This was a toy for Maddie. Priscilla won that round of Monopoly, Star Wars edition.
For once, I won a Monopoly.
Was your first win in your career? Cool. Yeah, so it was very different from your average Monopoly game, so it was fun though. But I kind of like regular Monopoly better. No, I am a big Star Wars fan. This is how you train your young Padawan in the ways of the Force.
What? No man. Ow!
I win!
Finish.
Ow! 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 I'm dead! Stop! Stop it!
There goes the leg. Get that leg.
Ow! My nuts! You hit me where the sun don't shine.
So we're currently doing this just for some Chinese food.
No kids are with us, by the way.
Excuse me. What'd you say?
No kids are with us, by the way.
Oh yes, no, definitely no kids. You can't even see, but no kids.
So small.
We're venturing.
All right. Check out all this fluffy stuff. Yep, that's about how as deep. This stuff is pretty deep. But yeah, that's how much snow we got. We got about 8 inches of snow. Oh, it's all up on the house, everything. My truck went right through it, ate through it, love it. I have fun driving in the snow. A lot of people don't because they don't know how to drive in it. But yeah, we had fun. And we
Over here,
did,
Mimi.
in fact, get our yummy Chinese food. Priscilla got the boneless spare ribs, and I got the sweet and sour chicken. Delicious. Okay, guys, that will do it for today's vlog. If you haven't yet watched it, go watch yesterday's vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I love you. I give you everything